Hey guys, welcome to Harry Present. What's inside this box? I don't know. So if you want to know what's inside this box, straight on, this box is sent by Gearbest to me yesterday, and today I will do the unboxing of this. So let's start our video without talking a lot. But before starting this video,
subscribe to my channel Harry Present and press the bell icon on your YouTube app and never miss another update from Harry Present.
this is what inside this box. This is a iPega 3-in-1 wireless controller. Wow, it looks very nice from outside. This is capable for Android system and iOS system, and also support to Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10. This is how it looks like from outside. So now let's unbox this box too. This is how the package look like from inside. There's a plastic, and inside the plastic this is the 3-in-1 wireless controller. So let's take it out.